So it's summer here and things are a little chaotic with everyone being home and my son's schedule is a little off, so I thought I would just go through a day routine of little things that I do. One thing I can never keep up with is laundry. It just never ends and I don't think it ever will. I'm pretty sure that it won't. So it's always really important with the way things run that I am up to date on laundry or I'm in big trouble.
Between a rock and a hard place. Do I work hard or live at my pace? You're only young once, yeah, that's all great, but I also want a future where I'm okay. Living life is doing lots of cocaine.
One thing I absolutely love to do is try out different cleaning products. I'm absolutely obsessed with cleaning. It's what I do when I'm stressed, and it's like a coping mechanism, so I'm always looking for the latest cleaning products, and I love to test them out and see how they work. And I love to tell people about them. So I decided after I was cleaning my kitchen that I needed to organize my spice rack. It was an absolute disaster. I couldn't even get the before picture. It was so bad. So anyway, so I'm just cleaning out my Lazy Susan. I have a Lazy Susan on my top shelf. And I just took all of my spices and organized them throughout the old ones and also throughout some other products that were expired. And we are definitely simple people here. So outside, this is my chicken and her name is Maggie. She likes to come stare at me through the window. So I thought that was really cute and I wanted to show you. So that's Maggie, and now we decided to go to the Dollar Tree. And did you know that Dollar Tree has yarn? I'm not sure if you know that or not, but just in case you didn't, I've never tried it out, and if you have tried it out, I would love to see or love to hear what you think. So leave me a comment. So these are the things I got. I got this cute little water bottle for my son, and actually I should have got yarn, but I didn't. And talking about cleaning products, this glass cleaner is amazing. You really need to try it. The body wash is not so hot. It's a little watered down, but I mean, it is the Dollar Tree. So if you've used this, let me know what you think of it. So let me show you what else I got. I got my little meat chopper here, and I got something for my husband. And my daughter gave that to him for Father's Day, actually. And I thought I'd try the mascara, and I actually really like it a lot. So I'm going to go out and show you the chickens now. So what are they drinking? They have berries in their water, and they really like fresh berry or frozen berries. And I put it in their water, and then they go and play chase with the berries. But those are red raspberries, and they absolutely love them. And I don't know, I think blueberries too. So this is Athena, and she is one of our youngest chicks. She's a golden lace Wyandotte. See, she got her little berry there, and a lot of times they play chase. So now we're gonna make some juice. So I love juicing. So I have cucumbers, spinach, apples. It really helps my son, and that's what I do. If there's something in this video that you would like to know more about, leave me a comment if there's something in this video that you would like to know more about, leave me a comment in the box below, and I will do another video. Juicing, Dollar Tree, cleaning products, whatever it is, just leave me a comment. Let's do this. Happy summer. Bye.